Looking back to former Minister Alex Hawke's announcement last November 2021, he mentioned that visa changes are already in place as a special concession, recognizing those highly skilled migrant workers who chose to stay in Australia throughout the pandemic, while continuing to address Australia's acute labour shortages. These include visa changes that improve access to permanent residence for existing Subclass 482 temporary skill shortage visa holders in the short-term stream, and Subclass 457 legacy temporary work skilled visa holders who no longer meet the age requirement. Subclass 482 temporary skill shortage visa enables employers to address labor shortages by bringing in skilled workers where employers cannot source an appropriately skilled Australian worker. Effective 1 July 2022, Subclass 482 short-term stream visa holders will be allowed to apply for Subclass 186 Employer Nomination Scheme Visa Temporary Residence Transition Stream. This visa lets skilled workers, who are nominated by their employer, live and work in Australia permanently. This new pathway will only be accessible for 2 years from July 1, 2022. Other important conditions are as follows. The applicant must be in Australia for at least 12 months between February 1, 2020 and December 14, 2021. The applicant must meet the general Subclass 186 visa criteria under the TRT stream. The applicant must work for a sponsor employer while holding the Subclass 482 visa. The applicant must work for a sponsor employer for a minimum of 3 years. Subclass 457 temporary work skilled visa allowed skilled workers to come to Australia and work for an approved business from 2 to 4 years from the visa grant date. In April 2017, this visa was replaced with a Temporary Skill Shortage or TSS visa, to support businesses in addressing genuine skill shortages. For 2 years starting July 1, 2022, eligible legacy Subclass 457 visa holders will be able to access an age exemption when applying through the TRT stream. To be eligible, the visa holder must have held a Subclass 457 visa on or after April 18, 2017. Have been in Australia between February 1, 2020 and December 14, 2021 for at least 1 year. Meet all other nomination and visa requirements. Other visa changes are further measures to support the return of international students and graduates, and bolster the international education industry. Subclass 485 temporary graduate visa holders who lost time as a result of COVID-19 international border restrictions will be allowed to apply for a Subclass 485 replacement visa. To be eligible for the Subclass 485 temporary graduate visa replacement stream, the visa holder must hold a valid visa in this category, or have previously held one that expired on or after February 1, 2020. Have been outside Australia between February 1, 2020 and December 15, 2021. The eligible visa holder must also make an application before January 1, 2027. Have held a relevant temporary graduate visa that was granted before December 15, 2021. Have lost time on your visa because of Australia's COVID-19 travel restrictions. Not have had your temporary graduate visa, or any visa granted after you held your temporary graduate visa, cancelled, unless it was cancelled because you asked for it to be. Subclass 485 temporary graduate visa graduate work stream applications lodged between July 1, 2022 and June 30, 2023 will not be required to have a qualification relevant to an occupation on the skilled occupation list, nor have a positive skills assessment in the nominated occupation on the skilled occupation list. From July 1, 2022, the visa application charges increased by 3%. The increases will be rounded to the closest $5. You can see some of the updated visa application charges on the screen right now. For the complete and updated visa application charges, visit the Department of Home Affairs website. You will see the link on the screen right now. If we can be of any assistance, please feel free to contact us. AUS Pacific Group. Co-creating your future in Australia.